All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to talk about two different ways of installing Create React App. There's actually more than two ways, but two main options. The one that I talk about in this course uses NPM, but there's also a sort of new, it's I don't know, a year old or so, technology called NPX. So you can use either one to use Create React App. First, let me talk about the dependencies, the thing you must have installed before you can do anything. You need Node. So if you don't have Node already, it's fortunately one of the easier things to install. You don't have to do anything with the command line if you don't want to. You can install it through the command line through something like Homebrew, but you can just go to nodejs.org, go to download. It will automatically detect your system and suggest a download. If it's not there, or if you need something else, you can choose Windows, Mac, Source, and then download. But I would just go with the one that it suggests for you. And then once that finishes, you should come over here to your terminal and make sure you can do node-v. And along with that, if you want to just check before you install, look to see npm-v or npx-v. So you just want to make sure you have something showing up. It doesn't really matter which version you have. It will impact how you install it. The current Create React App instructions are made to use npx. So if you look here on getting started, it's very simple. npx create react app my app. So this is the name of your application that you want to create. So this is the command here. You don't actually have to install it first, like if you were using npm. So there's two options. Like I said, the first one is to use npx. Now this only works if you have Node 5.2 or higher. So you don't have to install Create React App first. You just go npx create react app, if I can spell it, and then the name of your app, my app hello. And I just got slapped in the face by npx. You can't put capital letters there. So my app hello. And it goes ahead and starts making me a new Create React App instance. It does take a little while. Don't worry about that. The other option, if you don't have Node 5.2 or higher, or NPM 5.2, excuse me, and you don't want to update, then you can use NPM and install it globally. It looks like this. NPM install -g create react app. So you install it first, and then to create a new React app, you call create react app and then my app, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll show that version as well. So this finished. Now let me clear. Well, you can see it made me a new folder called my app hello. I'm going to clear that. And this time I'll show you installing it globally. npm install -g create react app. Now either of these is going to work just fine. So that finished up. And now I can just call create react app without npx and give it a name like hello world. And it starts making a new Create React App instance for me. So two different versions. If you use npm, you have to first manually install the command Create React App globally, and then you can use it. If you use npx, you don't have to install Create React App first. You just call npx Create React App my app. But at the end of the day, both of them are going to work. You'll see me in a lot of the course just do Create React App my app. That's because I already had it installed globally, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't use npx. If you have Node or you have npm, it's 5.2 or higher, this is what I would do here. Then once it's actually set up, everything else is going to work the same way. You start the server up the same way. You run npm start, which is the same command. So it's really just the install and the creation that is different. So I will stop here. We'll pick back up in the next video by talking about running our applications. That's coming up.